Alrighty guys, good morning. We are on day 2 of camping. We are on day 3. Ben's going like this in the background. We're on day 3 of camping. We are just having some lunch. We did bike rides and just kind of hung out in the trailer this morning since it was raining.
I'm not hungry.
Okay, thank you. Now we're just making a quick hot dog lunch, and then we're going to go to Cannon Beach, go check out Haystack Rock, and have a good afternoon.
Hey, Dad.
I don't have anything else to say.
Should I?
So far this camping trip has been so much fun. We have spent so much more time outside feeling like we're actually camping compared to when we were RVing. It's been a really nice difference. We spent a lot of time around the fire. We're eating all of our meals outside. We're spending a lot more time outside riding our bikes and all that stuff. So it's definitely feels like we're in a different place than we were when we were camping before, mainly just because we don't have an infant that's crawling around and trying to get away from everybody. Whose is this?
Well, no, Lawson was in a high chair, and Miller couldn't even sit up by himself when we left before.
Miller was not walking or anything yet when we were here last time.
It's a whole new game.
We've had a ton of fun, and we're gonna do a lot more exploring, and just feels like so much more of like a real camping experience, even though we're still RVing. Feels a lot more like camping. I like it. Here, buddy. Hot dog for Miller. Thanks, Dad.
My master is catching a hot dog.
So you're the best, Dad.
My poopy nag in the quick. Vroom, 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 vroom.
Uh-oh. We just got to Cannon Beach. It's about a 25-minute drive from our campsite, and Lawson and Miller are both sleeping. And another good news, we brought that little stroller that goes behind the bike, and I didn't bring the little attachment to actually make it a stroller. Becca's behind me, I can just feel it saying I told you so. I forgot the handle, so now we get to carry them. Yay! We just happened upon a little farmer's market in the same parking lot that we parked in last time, right across the street from the beach. So had some samples and bought some organic Marion berries and blueberries.
So good. Oh, man, that's like $1.50. Have you tried these though? I don't know if I've ever had a Marion berry. Okay, open your mouth, Miller. Super staty.
Good.
Open. Oh, on your shirt. We just got on the beach and it just started raining, so that was perfect timing. Let's go play in the rain.
It just started sprinkling.
Go catch up to Mommy. Where is she? So we got some of blueberries at that farmer's market, and now we're using them as total bribery to just keep the kids walking so we don't have to carry them. They'll stop every few seconds, be like, I'm tired, carry me. We'll be like, come get a blueberry, and they start running. It's amazing. Honey, I think you need to do a reenactment of last time we were here.
What did I do?
I think you remember.
That stretch thing that I got stuck?
You were doing cartwheels.
Oh, I probably haven't done a cartwheel since the last time I was here.
Do it. Make it happen.
Okay, here you go. If I pull something, it's your fault because I don't work out anymore.
I'll do a cartwheel.
Okay, show me.
Okay.
Watch out, guys. Don't cookie. Watch out, Miller. I'm coming for you. Watch out. Watch out, Adam. I never know where I'm going to go.
Good job, honey.
Not in the same shape I was last year.
You find the water, bud?
1 minute.
Oh.
We don't have a towel or a
We don't-
blanket.
Or extra clothes.
We did not think this through properly.
Well.
Okay, let's keep going. Come on. Regret.
Okay, boys, let's keep moving. Oh, out of the water. Out of the water. Out of the water, bud. Now that you're all soaking wet. Okay, go. Go, go, go!
No.
Go get mommy!
No!
Why are you yelling?
Because I can't walk.
Let's go.
No.
Hold my hand.
I can't.
You can't.
I can't.
You can't.
I can't.
You can though.
I'm not.
You totally can.
Let's go from my eye. What's this building? Let's go get that building. So that's water. Ouch. There's water. Ouch. That water. Pack your dog. I want to no.
The rock, as you can see, probably on my sunglasses and on the lens, that it's raining. Whatever.
Mommy! What is this?
That's coral.
Coral.
It's a living entity in the sea.
Is it an animal?
Yes.
This is an animal?
Well, I don't know if it's considered an animal. Is coral considered an animal? Comment below.
What's it called?
You guys are my new Google search.
Mom, what's it called?
Let's go touch this rock.
I'm gonna go touch the rock.
Do it. Run.
This is gonna be fun. That's not gonna be wet.
Yeah, and those rocks are sharp. That's a hermit crab.
We definitely did not plan well for this little escapade because we didn't bring any extra clothes for the kids. They're all totally soaked. Now we're about to walk through the dry sand and get incredibly sandy before we have to go to the grocery store. Yeah.
Mommy!
Oh wow, I don't want to touch that one though because I don't want sandy hands.
Why is this fish though?
This is why we have an old car, so they can go in there and we don't care.
How's it going, babe?
Well, I'm never gonna say I don't work out again. Oh my gosh.
All right, well, we made it back from the beach. Very sandy and very wet, but we had a good time. So now it is bedtime. That's not bedtime yet. It's dinner time, and we're gonna make foil dinners. But it's been raining all afternoon, so I prepped all the food already. Everything's ready to go. Now I'm just gonna try to start a fire in the rain. So we'll see if I'm successful at that. So we're gonna have our foil dinners, and then we're gonna call it a night after that. So thank you so much for watching. Hope you guys enjoyed it. Give that a thumbs up if you did, and hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. And we have more fun coming your way in on our next video for the last part of our vacation. So we will see you guys next time.